Well, as we head into the Easter weekend, having an Easter egg hunt on Sunday morning, could be doing it in a bunch of snow, but that's not too unusual for this time of year. We did issue a winter storm watch for the Wind River Range. That goes into effect this evening at 11 o'clock, goes through Sunday evening at 11 o'clock. Nothing else across our area right now, but I wouldn't be surprised if more highlights, some mainly advisories, maybe a warning or two go into effect as we head to the next couple of days. So keep checking our webpage for that. Now, as we time out the impacts, there'll be 2 rounds of snow coming through. The first will be the lighter amount going south to north across the area. We'll be hitting Rock Springs during the nighttime hours, though, so you could get some slick road conditions there. It will snow a little bit during the day further north, but there, with a high sun angle, it's not going to be very heavy. It shouldn't have much of an impact. The second round coming in, that has more moisture with it, so you can see most of these areas. Sunday, you'll see the maximum impacts out of that. 2 big rounds of snow across the Western Mountains, Saturday morning for the first one, Sunday afternoon for that one. Then everything winds down as we head towards Sunday night. Now, as far as the probabilistic stuff, as far as how much snow we're going to get, for potentially 2 inches or more, pretty good chance across much of the area, just about all the west. Wind River Basin having a very good chance anywhere from about 60-70% up to about 90% of land, or 100% in the mountains, obviously. About a 1 in 2 chance around Casper, about 87% around Buffalo. And Bighorn Basin having the least chance, about 1 in 2 chance near Cody, less as you head out toward Graybull and Level. Now we bump this up to 4 inches. Chances drop a bit. You can see the mountains just about 100% there. Western Valley is about a 1 in 2 chance of picking up 4 inches or more. About a 1 in 3 chance across the I-80 corridor. About a 3 to 5 chance around Riverton. Lander going up a lot more though, about a 60% chance there. 16% chance around Casper more as you head toward the mountain, obviously. About 60% around Buffalo. And the chances really drop off across the Bighorn Basin. Best chance of seeing that down here across Thermopolis, the north flow, that may upslope a little bit. Now we bump this up to a foot. We're mainly restricted to the mountains. You can see very small chance across the highest elevations of the Bighorns, maybe the Salt and Wyoming range, but area sticks out like a sore thumb. You got the Wind Rivers. That's going to be the epicenter for this snowstorm. So at least this much snow is expected across the area. You can see at least a foot, I'd say, across the highest elevations here. That's the best case scenario if you don't like snow, obviously. But 1 to 2 inches across the western mountains, maybe a coating to an inch across I-80. Wind River Basin Lander, anywhere from about 1 to 2 inches, a little bit more toward DuBois, at least 2 inches around Buffalo, about a coating to an inch at least across the Bighorn Basin. Now the likely maximum amount of snow we'll see out of this, I-80 corridor, anywhere from about 3 to 5 inches. Western Valley is probably about 4 to 7 inches. Wind River Basin, Lander foothills about 3 to 6. Same thing around the Casper area, Waltman, maybe 6 or 7 inches if things set up right across Johnson County, especially once you get to the west of I-25. Bighorn Basin, anywhere from a maximum of 1 inch at Graybull, 4 inches at Cody, to about 6 inches at Thermopolis. Now for the official snowfall for the area, now I want you to keep this in mind. This will be mainly on the grass, and even here it might not be the total amount. So with those marginal temperatures, that strong sun angle, it could be a situation where you have 6 inches of snow on the grass, but the road might just be wet or maybe just a slushy coating there. So this may not be the total you see on your ground all at once, because it might melt off initially as it starts to fall. But that's how much we're going to get. Anywhere from about 1 to 4 inches across the I-80 corridor. Western Valley is anywhere from about 2 to 6 inches depending on where you are. About 2 to 4 around Riverton, 3 to 6 around Lander, 1 to 3 around the Casper areas was expected. A little more as you head up to the north. That easterly flow tends to do well here, 3 to 6 around Buffalo. Bighorn Basin probably seeing the least, a coating to an inch around Graybull. More as you head to the south and west, again, that easterly flow tends to upslope in Cody, and especially Thermopolis. About 3 to 6 around the DuBois area. But again, where's the epicenter? Right here across the Wind River Range. By the time this is all said and done, 1 to 2 feet of new snow accumulating up there. Here's our resources. You want weather, just go to our website, weather.gov/RIW. You want road conditions? Again, don't call us for the road conditions. Go to these spots right here and get it right from WYDOT. YRoad.info if you're on the web. You want to call them on the phone. 511 if you're in state. 188 YR Road if you're out of state. Thanks for watching this, everybody, and happy Easter.